Your roofer says you need new ventilation with your roof replacement. Is that a legitimate upgrade or an upsell? Here's the truth. Inadequate ventilation is the #1 cause of shingle warranty denial. Skip it, and a $400 to $1,200 upgrade turns into $5,000 to $20,000 in premature roof failure. That's a 5 to 15 times multiplier on a problem you could have fixed during the re-roof. IRC R806.1 requires cross-ventilation in all enclosed attics. R806.2 sets the minimum: 1 square foot of net free ventilating area per 150 square feet of attic floor. For a 1,500 square foot attic, that's 10 square feet of ventilation, split between intake and exhaust. Many homes built before 1990 don't meet current code. The system is simple. Cool air enters through soffit vents at the bottom. Hot air and moisture exit through the ridge vent at the top. This creates continuous passive airflow, no electricity, no moving parts, no maintenance. The ideal split is 60% intake at the soffits and 40% exhaust at the ridge. That balance is what keeps your attic temperature within 30 to 40 degrees of outside. Without proper ventilation, your attic hits 150 to 170 degrees in summer. That's well above the 130-degree threshold where asphalt shingle oxidation accelerates. Your brand new 30-year shingles, they'll last 15 to 20 years instead. In Chicago, your second floor becomes unbearable. Your AC runs non-stop, and your shingles literally cook from below. In winter, the damage is different but just as serious. Warm, moist air from your living space rises into the attic. Without ventilation to flush it out, it condenses on cold surfaces. You get frost on nail tips, wet sheathing, and eventually mold. Chicago averages 56 freeze-thaw cycles per year and 37 inches of snowfall. Improper ventilation causes ice dams at the eaves, leading to leaks and interior damage. Here's the part most homeowners miss. GAF, Owens Corning, and CertainTeed all explicitly require RC-compliant ventilation for their warranties to be valid. Install new shingles without correcting ventilation. Your 25 to 50-year warranty is void from day one. Zero coverage if shingles fail prematurely. This isn't fine print. It's the #1 reason warranty claims get denied across all major manufacturers. Critical rule: never have a ridge vent and a powered attic fan on the same roof. The power fan creates negative pressure that pulls air in through the ridge vent, using it as intake instead of exhaust. This short-circuits the entire system. Instead of drawing fresh air from the soffits, the fan pulls air from the nearest opening. Both systems are defeated, and your warranty is voided. If you have a power fan, it must be removed when adding a ridge vent. The numbers make this a no-brainer. A ridge vent alone, $300 to $900. Complete ventilation system with soffits, $400 to $1,200. Rafter baffles to keep insulation from blocking airflow, $150 to $400. All installed during your re-roof when the roof is already open. Compare that to a standalone ventilation project after the fact, or the $5,000 to $20,000 you'll spend when shingles fail early and the warranty won't cover it. Check these signs. Only gable vents with no ridge vent, that rarely meets current code. Frost on nail tips in winter, that's condensation from trapped moisture. Attic over 140 degrees in summer, insufficient exhaust. Soffit vents blocked by blown-in insulation, needs rafter baffles. Ice dams forming at eaves despite good insulation. Ventilation is the likely culprit. If you see any of these, your re-roof should include a ventilation upgrade. Not sure if your ventilation meets code? Lifetime Xteriors calculates your attic's net free ventilating area requirement and shows you exactly what's needed. Free inspection across Downers Grove, Naperville, Schaumburg, Wheaton, and all Chicago suburbs. We're Owens Corning Preferred Contractors. We know their warranty requirements inside and out. Call 630-541-9092. Subscribe for more guides that protect your investment.